I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for 40 years. I am a expert in this matter. I don't do these YouTubes in my office. I don't need a coat or tie. You want to really know what's up here. I have been doing this for 50 years, and I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I've been on the national news many times. You can see my interviews at 777irs.com. You can see my website, more importantly, my team. And I cover a bunch of different subjects. I must have over, I don't know, maybe 1,000 YouTubes. I try to cover every subject that you need. And so if you ever need like taxes done or any, IRS stuff, you owe debt, you're probably going to want to call us. But anyway, let me get to the question today, or that I want to answer, and that's many people get their refunds taken by IRS, and the question is how do we stop that? How do I get my money back? And the answer is really simple. If you owe taxes, IRS inputs a TC, systematically inputs a TC 130. When you hear the word systematically, what does that mean? It means the computer, if they know you owe debt, the computer is programmed to make sure you don't get a refund. So they input a freeze code, and that freeze code is a TC 130 freeze code. I'm just giving you the technical term in case you're on, you're sitting on the hot seat and you need to answer that question to win $1 million. So what you simply do is you adjust your W-4. You go into your payroll tax department or whoever's withholding, and you actually change your withholding so you don't get a refund. Many of you put 1 or 0, and if you do, they're going to take the most out. What you have to do is you have to bring your current pay stub to a preparer and say, hey, I don't want my refund taken. How do I have this tax return prepared where maybe I'm going to owe 100 or I'm not going to get any money back? And find out what that is, and then go in to your payroll tax department and adjust your W-4. Many times you don't claim 0, you may have to claim 3 or 4, so they don't take out as much withholding. Then at the end of the year, you'll go ahead and they won't take any money back because you didn't take enough withholding for them to go ahead and take your refund. So do that right away. Once again, take your pay stub, bring it to a preparer, say, hey, if I do my taxes now, is there any money that IRS is going to get? If they say yes, ask them how you can adjust your withholding to make sure you don't get a refund. Then you go ahead and bring that information to your payroll tax, your HR department, and say, hey, I want to change my withholding so I don't have as much money going to IRS. And guess what? IRS won't take your refund. Simple problem, simple answer. Just get it done and keep your money and don't give it to IRS. Thank you.